Are you struggling to pay rent and wondering if you qualify for housing benefit in 2025? You're not alone. In this video, we'll break down who is eligible, how much you can receive, and how to apply for housing benefit in the UK this year. With new updates in April 2025, it's important to stay informed to ensure you get the support you need. So, stick around until the end to avoid missing any crucial details. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more UK benefits and financial support updates. So, what exactly is housing benefit? It's a government scheme designed to help low-income individuals cover their rent payments. But here's the catch. Universal credit has replaced housing benefit for most new applicants, except for a few special cases. Who can still claim housing benefit? People of state pension age. Those in certain types of supported accommodation. If you receive pension credit and meet income limits. If your savings are under £16,000, unless you get pension credit. Who is not eligible? Most working-age individuals, they need to apply for universal credit. Homeowners, but they may qualify for other support like council tax reduction. Now, let's go deeper into the eligibility criteria for 2025. Here are the main conditions you must meet. State pension age or supported housing. If you're of pension age or live in supported or temporary housing, you can still apply. Low income and limited savings. Your total income and savings must be below £16,000 unless you're on pension credit. Recognized landlord. Rent must be paid to a council, housing association, or private landlord under official tenancy agreements. If you're working age and making a new claim, you'll need to apply for universal credit instead. The amount you can receive depends on several factors, including your income, location, and rental costs. Examples of 2025 housing benefit rates. London, one-bed flat £500 to £1,000 per month. Glasgow, one-bed flat £300 to £500 per month. Larger families in high-cost areas can exceed £1,200 per month. Your local council uses local housing allowance to determine how much support you get, especially if you rent privately. If you think you qualify, here's a quick step-by-step guide to applying for housing benefit. 1. Check eligibility. Contact your local council or visit gov.uk. 2. Gather required documents. You'll need proof of ID, passport, driving license, national insurance number, rent agreement or statement, payslips or benefit letters. 3. Submit your application. Online, by post, or in person at your local council office. 4. Wait for approval. Processing takes 2 to 6 weeks, depending on your council. Remember, payments may go directly to your landlord or to you, depending on the arrangement. What's new in 2025? Here are the latest updates that may affect your claim. Local housing allowance rates increased. Higher support for private renters in many areas. Digital application process for pensioners. Faster and more efficient claims. Stricter verification checks. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid penalties. Misinformation can lead to repayment demands or even legal action, so be careful when applying. If you're being moved to universal credit, here are some key things to keep in mind. Housing benefit stops when you switch to universal credit. Rent payments may no longer go directly to your landlord. You'll need to manage payments yourself. Make sure you plan your budget properly to avoid rent arrears. If you don't qualify for housing benefit, don't worry. There are other support options available. Universal credit offers housing cost support for working-age claimants. Discretionary housing payments, extra help from local councils. Council tax support reduces your tax bill if you're on a low income. Social housing applications. If private rent is too high, you can apply for council or housing association properties. Explore all your options to maximize your financial support. Housing benefit is still an essential safety net for many in 2025, especially pensioners and those in supported housing. With updated rates and new application processes, it's crucial to stay informed and apply early. Final tips. Apply as soon as possible to avoid delays. Double-check all documents to prevent rejection. Keep an eye on universal credit changes if you may need to transition. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'm happy to help.